Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and up to date, knowing how to unpin a topic is a must, especially with the latest updates to the app. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unpin a topic in your Telegram group using the desktop app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look for the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to pin or unpin topics, so double-check you have the right permissions before moving forward. Now open the group chat. At the top of the conversation, you'll see any topics or messages that have been pinned. These are usually highlighted or marked with a pin icon, making them easy to spot. Here's the key step. Move your mouse over the topic you want to unpin. Right-click directly on that topic. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply choose Unpin. The topic will immediately be removed from the pinned section at the top of your group chat. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily unpin any topic and keep your group's information fresh and relevant. If you ever want to pin a new topic, just right-click on the message or topic you want to highlight and select Pin. Managing your group's pinned topics is a great way to make sure important information stands out while outdated details don't clutter your chat. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins or anyone new to Telegram. Stay tuned for more tips to help you make the most out of your messaging experience.